Hello friends, in today's lecture we will be understanding what are logical Venn diagrams part 2. We have already seen the part 1 of this topic. Now it's the time for part 2. So let us begin with the first MCQ. Now the first question says that choose from the 4 diagrams given below the one that illustrates the relationship among animals, tigers and carnivores. Students, we know one thing, that animals are having tigers as well as carnivores. So what are tigers? Are they animals? Yes, they are definitely animals. Are they carnivores? Yes, they are definitely carnivores. So the bigger circle will be consisting of animals, the smaller circle will be consisting of carnivores, and the smallest circle will be consisting of tigers. So the bigger circle again will be consisting of animals because tiger is an animal, whereas the smaller circle will be consisting of carnivores. Why is that? Because tigers are animals and also they are carnivores. So from this I can definitely say that I should have a big circle, inside that I will have a smaller circle, whereas inside that I will be having a smallest circle. So let us check the options. If I look at option number 4, it is consisting of one bigger circle, one smaller circle and one smallest circle. So the answer to this question will be option 4. Now let us look at the next MCQ. It says, which one of the 4 diagrams given below, the one that illustrates the relationship between the professor, a scholar and a politician? Students, I can say that a professor can be a scholar as well as a politician too, whereas a politician can be a scholar as well as a professor too. Also, a scholar can be a professor as well as a politician too. So we will be having 3 circles and they will be having one common intersection between all 3 of them. So can we check out the options right now? If I look at the options, I can definitely say that the answer to this question is option 4. In that, I'll be having 1, 2 and 3 circles. In those 3 circles, I will have a common intersection point. In that common intersection point, I can definitely say that we are having some people who are professors, scholars and also politicians. So the answer to this question is option 4. Now let us look at the next MCQ. It says, which one of the following diagrams correctly represents a maid, a woman as well as a doctor? So students, I can say that a maid is a woman, but a doctor may or may not be a woman. So I will have one big circle and 2 smaller circles consisting of a maid and a doctor. So now how will I draw it? I will have one big circle, in that I will have a woman. Next to it I will be having a doctor which may consist of a male doctor or a female doctor. And if I talk about a maid, I will have again 2 groups. It will be of a female or a male. So let us see the options. If I look at option number 2, I can definitely say that the bigger circle will consist of a woman and the next 2 circles can be called as a doctor and one for the maid. So the answer to this question is option 2. Now let us look at the next MCQ. It says that which of the following 4 logical diagrams represents correctly the relationship between a mammal, a woman and a nurse? Student, nurse is nothing but a woman, and also a woman is nothing but a mammal itself. In fact, we all, the humans, are nothing but mammals. So the mammal will be the biggest circle. Inside that I will have a smaller circle consisting of a woman, and the smallest circle will consist of a nurse. So we need 3 circles which are one inside each other. So the answer to this question will be option 2. So the bigger circle will have the mammal, the smaller circle will consist of woman, whereas the innermost circle will consist of the nurse. So option 2 is the right answer. Now the next MCQ says we need the relationship between a hospital, a ward and a bed. Now students, this is nothing but the bigger circle, smaller circle and the innermost circle. The bigger circle will consist of a hospital, the inner circle will consist of a ward, whereas the smaller circle will consist of a bed. So we need 3 circles again, which are one inside each other. So the bigger circle as usual is the hospital. The smaller circle is consisting of a ward, whereas the innermost circle is consisting of a bed. So the answer to this question is option 2. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Informatica and do subscribe our channel.